Hey guys! Welcome back to Savvy and Fabby! So today may announcement po tayo na magaganap. So magpapag-giveaway po tayo pag nakaabot po tayo ng 50 subscribers.
Kaya po subscribe na kayo, like and share.
And the giveaway po namin ay tripod and
Blackpink t-shirt.
so we will have 2 lucky winners. So just use the sign Savvy and hashtag Savvy and Fabby.
It's in the screen.
Giveaway number 1. So guys, comment lang po kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Yun lang po. Stay tuned for our 50 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.
And i-announce po namin
yung winner kapag
sa next video.
Hindi, kapag nakaabot na tayo ng 50 subscribers. So, subscribe na kayo para para ma-announce na po namin yung mga giveaway winners. So, comment lang po kayo kung gusto niyo ng giveaway. And, comment nyo lang po yung, ano ba yun? Comment nyo lang po yung Savvy and Fabby giveaway number 1. So, yun lang po guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Bye!
Mwah!